The time don't reach for we for blow Tori. Today, like yesterday, Tori, they plenty. But the one will get time for una. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means say we will talk about the matter for eto'o. Una know say yesterday, all social media, we been a frenzy. Social media shake. Eto'o for the one, eto'o for here, eto'o for day. Now, so the thing day we will talk about and the reaction for eto'o where it don't come out too. We will talk too about which one. So, woman, for that side for nkoteng. Now, after Banjok, for that side for go for Eastern region, they say what happen. The woman kwara. Now, who kwara the woman? We go talk about for Bone Pupa. I say some people they wake up, they don't vex, they accuse, they are big man. Would the word say me, they are big man react from the accusation them. And then some boy, he give me up for some girl. Onom na yo. After he deny say no na pikin. Say the pikin, it is some kind way. And then we go read newspaper them. Waiting newspaper talk, we go try forgive una for the program today. I hope say una day. We come good oh, we come good. Now the two way we talk for una mo una yeram. We come good because we know say una be good people. We come good because we know say if we know una day, we no go be no nothing. Countryman, countrywoman. As I tell una, we'll start with the matter for Samuel Eto'o. What happened? The whole of yesterday, eto'o don't take money, eto'o don't take money, eto'o don't to money, eto'o don't to money for fake food, eto'o don't to money for fake food, eto'o don't to money for fake food. No talk. So newspaper, where it for that side for France, it talk say they don't contact people where they near Samuel. It talk say they so that matter for money where they talk say eto'o for 2023 where Russia gam for fake food, then it pass through his account, his personal account for Qatar. Na nonsense talk. Na nonsense talk because he never ever to no money. I no get any intention for to some money. They explain I'm simple say what happen I say fake food no get that tax number for America where they call it say TIN. Fake food no get them. And when you not get that number for tax number for America, no transaction for Palavamburu money, legal one, if it pass. So, fake food no be get any means to do any legal transaction for America soil because they not get that number. And say the number, now American IRS, the GAM, that means say people they take care for taxation for America. And now they think that. And then another thing too where they supposed to know, now say during the period, they will not switch off plenty Russian bank them from SWIFT because of that Ukraine war. So now COMEX for fake food, he give order say may give a account. Now the reason that when Benoit Ongwa is signed that paper, no be naive. So Benoit Onga know all man for fake food know, and then they don't check all fake food account, all that thing it be known. Say na useless scandal. Now just batching where people they want batchy for seeker plenty reason them, but it remains stable. I know say it continue to do your work. It no shaking no day. So now the matter that now Jean Afrique don't talk say they don't contact people in the near eto'o where they know the dossier. Now the explanation that way they give. But the coincidence where they for the matter now it worry people because in GTAP for morning time. News comes say they don't suspend it for 5 years. And then minute after, eto'o don't thief money, eto'o don't thief money, eto'o don't thief money, eto'o don't thief money. Now the thing where plenty people they ask themselves say, what will be the relationship with that suspense on GTAP and that eto'o don't thief money? Some people they want key the information or they want try the thing no worker on how it happen. And then so other one they ask questions say, why would they talk say eto'o don't ask money for government and then Russia don't pay money? Now say they forget say before eto'o want be president for fake food, Cameroon don't play friendly matches. I say the rules for play friendly matches never ever change. Now the question that because some people they feel they talk something where they don't know. They feel they talk something because someone don't talk am. So as you don't talk am, me I enter there I talk my own true. You don't take money, don't take money. It take money how? It pass through your account. Now who give the account? Now who sign the document for give the account? Who will be the person? Now the person negotiate the match. Now fake food document where they use them. Yes. So, countrywoman, now the matter that. Plenty Tory dey for the matter. For the other Tory, the Tory, it take place now for that side for nkoteng. I know nkoteng fine. 95, 96, I be dey nkoteng. 97, 98, I be dey nkoteng. So I know nkoteng. Wetin happen now for that side for nkoteng? For some quarter, what they call am say Adam. I know say for my way you know nkoteng fine. For that time I dey talk am, can Maten be dey, can Nanga be dey. There been a popular places in that way for people who work for sugarcane plantation. Can Maten, can Nanga. When a house away, Susu can be built for workers away. They work for plantation of sugarcane plantation. Better sugar be the come up for day. That's why I come up for that side of nkoteng where they come back go Moyokano. Hey, you okay. I did take sugar so like 1 glass sugar, put up for 1 glass gari, turn and box am. They get chop up, I hear my skin. I say, sugar day, no, sugar day, and a sucrose, fructose, sugar day. You understand? Yes. So the woman now, he come up bolo. Now last week, what happened? For last Saturday, he come up for a small bolo, and then a Bernadette Kono. So he return back for a quarter for that side for nkoteng where they call it say Adam. Now he return back for small late. He reach for door. He did knock door because he 4 picking the day's house. He did knock come. Me they can't open door. He 1 year na rengenge star hala. Brababa. He try for dodge. He dodge. 1 bullet now he touch it for his neck. That so it happened. People don't come out. They don't see my way. They shoot up. They carry go for hospital. Now so this woman Bernadette Kwara for hospital. And then the news so we get time and say for time where that thing happen, Imasa no be dey house. So they call Imasa, inform Imasa. The woman get 4 pikin them Imasa tell una. So now what happen? Now who they behind the assassination for Bernadette? Una know say when inquiry go start, the first people they go 1 year na a family member, na Imasa. All them they go 1 year them. We hope say Massa, they engage in that one. Or they will get their problem, then they will get their beef, and then the man the vex with something. Man no, man never accuse it. But I know say the way police they function, now say if that kind of thing happen, the first people they look up, now people the way they near the woman for see what they will get them, what will be their relationship with the Bernadette. He don't go so, he leave 4 picking them. That means say they quarry for before he door. We picking the day inside house, where they come for car open door for ye, we turn back for bolo. Now so the thing happen for that side for nkoteng. And it's all my friend them for Maten, Kananga, and also thing they don't change for that side for nkoteng. Countryman, this time we go now for that side for Bonipopa. What happen for Bonipopa? I the past for day now so accusation. Them talk say we hear say. For Bonipopa, if you work after 8 o'clock for night, they go catch you, they carry you go put up for brigade, and then you give 50 kolo. That means say 50K. And then now what happen? Why they supposed to do so? Now the question we for this side will ask them. And the new revelation will come out, it come out like Congosa, and the two are they give na Congosa. But they say people for Bonipopa, they're not happy. So somehow they wake up, the red cap, now understand what I mean. The man the way the red cap, he don't talk. He say then they fear. They fear for security, say population, the vex plenty, and then they no fit go interact with population because the tension where they within them and population, the man they look the man look the man, eye by eye, and then he say some young picking them, they try to tell and say how when I start down at you, I don't make us so. It means say now we know befriend them. So that's what it happen. But how we reaching there for level? Where they talk say now so they don't talk. Say na big man for that red cap people for that side for Bonipopa. Now they make another one they happen. Then they take 50,000 and then will say me they liberate themselves or they sell for court, this and that. If I say me authority the way they be, when I get power pass all around the way red cap for that side of Bonipopa, they try look the matter for see. whether na just rumor or whether na some serious thing wey dey happen for that side for Bonepopa. Because if population dey vex and the thing wey they do am, wey oga kwata dem wey na dem be big oga, they don't know the matter. It is some way no, fine. So we wait for Siam. The development will go take place concerning that matter for Bonepopa. We go come for here. We go try for tell now because not pass solution. They need to put solution for the matter for that side. All our people for Bonepopa with the salute now. We not say, you go back. Now some girl, 24 years. 24-year girl, he guy. That means say he guy man. Una understand the thing. And then he gets so old repe too. That repe is 62 years. So that repe he climb table. But that repe married, he get family. The guy man too, he dey with ye. But he dey say na that repe, the sponsor. Where he get small matter, na that repe the mumburu. Where he get small thing, na that repe the gimburu. So he dey with the repe, he dey with guy man. Now that something can pass, so something can pass. They go climb table now. What will happen for the climbing of the table? Now say Mbiok enter. Bele don't enter now. It don't be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Pikina, he say one komoyi, and Mbiok one komot. Now so they go born. Danga go born now. That's one jaka no 24 years na small jaka. He go born now. As he born, the pikin komot. He face day like say old. If it happen, thing they happen. So people they get skin disease and all that. How will they not do all biology or they not do medicine and all that? They know 1 year advice from medical experts. That boy talk say no be in jaka. Now 1 month this where they get the cry. 1 month the boy say no be in jaka because if in jaka no for old, so he face no for old. Say face old because no be in jaka. Then Ghana don't try. Say one see that repe for 62 years from talk the matter for you. The repe say, ho. I be don't tell you. Say I'm married, I get family, I don't want pikin. I don't want anything. So no come for me. So the pikin don't confused now. But the matter where then I say, if I be papa or I be big brother, what they go do now? Now for try for do test for see now who be the real papa for the pikin. From there, they go know. Say now do one be the papa, do one be the papa. But you, when you no one gig Mbiok, when you no one gig bele, when no one me get me pikin get. If you want climb for his skin, condom dey no massa. Use condom. You know if you deny for use condom, and then when pikin enter, you begin talk say no me my pikin. eto'o the way he face day, eto'o no me my pikin. I be don't talk say I no want pikin. I get my family. I do this and that. Now how can I style that no? Now you kind of thing that way, kind of thing when I do so for that kind of thing when I do so no. It correct so. Me put a begin change on their attitude no. We don't give me begin enter. The begin is suffer now but scar waiting. The begin matter for all na talk say a face old and say I give my family na waiting. Now una two una don't meet up, una no do protection, una enter una song bonbon, una no soka with rapun. So the thing no enter. Una give to take una responsibility. Now so the thing day. Newspaper. Where they call and say wait the Guardian Post. Now only the Guardian Post newspaper where we go read them for una for today. Yes. The Guardian Post newspaper. It don't talk big grammar. The grammar na 2025 presidential election. October election. Which he talk. He say will Paul Biya survive growing rebellion from within? The question be clear. Paul Biya will survive rebellion where it take place for a party because we hear say some man for a party for a Bolova don't take he and party go for court for talk say he no supposed to be president for the party and then court don't talk say no be them fit judge that matter. The man don't talk say go see car and go court again. Jacques Famine don't go. He don't talk say now party seat. That means say you want kill your papa. You know if you begin come now from South region, that kind of thing there. Say not correct. So the Guardian Post newspaper, the only English language newspaper will get for a kuro eye for year, a talk up. And then he told them for the newspaper, I say 2025 presidential rule of law on trial. Rule of law on trial. Now big grammar that we need to go lower before you understand them. And but with the broker for now, for here small. It says Southwest Elizem, they denounced 42 years of misery, and then they call for sanction vote for the party. Now South region, South region, not Southwest, South region Elizem. They say they made a game for vote against party for Paul and Abiya. They say na council as I have explained now, he drag he carry Mr. Bia, he go for court, and then he urge Elekam for block Pobia a candidate show. Now so he talk up. So it is hot for that side for South region for play with Bia come out. So Jacques Fam don't go to it for day, it make intervention for say meditation, it calm down. Now all that we will get that for now for today.